Hi friends, this is Satish Valiveti and welcome to this special video, Daily Habits of the Successful People. Friends, a quick question. How many do you think want to achieve big success in life and stay happy? We know the answer. Everyone wants it, isn't it? How many do you think, friends, actually achieve it? Very few, isn't it? Friends, statistically speaking, only 4% are actually achieving success. Do you know this, friends? A lot of research was conducted on the top 4% people as to how they could achieve that kind of success. And the good news, my friends, the answers are found. It is discovered, friends, that successful people do certain things habitually every single day. And that helps them to be in the top 4%. I like what the Greek philosopher Aristotle says. He says 95% of everything you do is a result of habit. And there's a beautiful book, friends, written by Brian Tracy. The book is called The $1 Million Habit. In that book, Brian Tracy says that good habits are hard to form and easy to live with. But the bad habits, friends, they're easy to form, but they're hard to live with. Do you agree, friends? Isn't it? The top 4%, friends, they believe in the power of habits. That is why early in life they form wonderful habits, and one such habit, my friends, is called the hit list of goals. Every night before they retire to bed, they create something called the hit list of goals that they want to achieve the next day. Most people don't understand the power of goal setting, friends. I like this example of Kim Soo. Friends, Kim Soo is considered one of the world's best archers on the planet. He's such an accurate shooter in archery, my friends. If you give him a bow and an arrow, the first shot he hits the bull's eye. He doesn't stop there. He takes a second arrow and he shoots it, and the second arrow pierces the first arrow and shoots the bull's eye. Did you understand, friends? One of the world's top archers, Kim Soo. Now here's the interesting question, friends. Imagine this. If we blindfold Kim Soo, and if we rotate him a number of times that he is not aware now which direction is facing and where the goal is, right? Now if we give him the bow and the arrow, do you think he can shoot accurately to the bull's eye? The answer is no. Why? Because, friends, understand, no matter how much of talent he possesses, if he cannot see the goal, he cannot hit it. So remember this, my friends, you can only hit the goal if you see it. And you can only see the goal if you have it, isn't it? Most people, my friends, unfortunately, they get up in the morning, they don't make a plan for the day, they don't set goals, they just go with the flow. And no wonder a majority of people, when they sleep at night, they have regretful days that they wasted a lot of time that day. So we can keep a full stop to these regretful days, my friends, if you can make this habit called hit list of goals. So that's what the top 4% people do, friends. Every single night, they write down the goals they want to achieve the next day. And that's exactly what I want you to do, my friends, starting today. Decide the baby steps you want to take tomorrow towards your success in life. And by the way, friends, when the top 4% make a hit list of goals, they always think on paper. T-O-P. How do they reach the top? Because they do the top. Top stands for think on paper, right? So please make sure that when you write your hit list of goals you want to achieve tomorrow, write it on paper. Think always on paper, friends. And don't stop there, friends. Review this paper throughout the day as often as possible. Friends, if feasible, I want you to make this hit list of goals as a wallpaper on your mobile or your laptop. Why? Because understand, my friends, what you see is what you do. Do you know this, friends? We have 5 senses, right? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. And among the 5 senses of human beings, which sense do you think is the most powerful sense, my friends? Eyes. Do you know this, friends? Do you know eyes are powerful? Let's say for a dog. For a dog, what's the most powerful sense? Nose, isn't it? For a human being, what's the most powerful sense? Eyes. Friends, do you know this? Eyes are powerful, my friends. Let me give an example. Let's say you're walking on the road and on the opposite direction an old friend of yours is coming. A very old friend, you forgot his name. You can remember his face, but you forgot his name. So to recollect his name, I'll give you 3 options. You tell me which option is better. Option 1, we close our eyes, we use our vision, go back to the past and say, "Ha, Suresh." Do we do that? Or option 2, we go and start smelling him. Or option 3, we go and start licking him. Do we do that? Of course not. Why? Because we don't smell and lick him because our strong senses are not nose and tongue, my friends. Our strongest sense are eyes. Eyes are powerful, friends. We think with our eyes. What we see is what we do, and what we think is what we get. Do you know this, friends? I repeat, what we see is what we do, and what we think is what we get. That is why it's important that you see your hit list of goals as often as possible. Friends, I like what Og Mandino says in his book University of Success. He says most people don't achieve greatness in life because they're sidetracked by secondary activity. If you review your goals often, if you see them often, there's a high probability that you stay on track and you will not get distracted often, my friends. The top 4% people's other habits include regular workout and meditation, my friends. They make sure, no matter how busy they are, that they devote at least a 20-minute to 30-minute window for their workout, physical workout. And that's exactly what I want you to do, my friends. Go for a walk, go for a gym, go for a swim. Just do some physical activity, but please make sure you sweat. You know, I like this phrase which says, "Sweat is fat crying." Isn't it? Sweat is fat crying. So please make sure you make your fat cry. This little workout habit, my friends, will boost your physical stamina. And the top 4% don't stop there. They also understand the power of having a strong mindset. So they also make sure that they meditate every day at least for 15-20 minutes. Friends, if you are already in the habit of doing regular workout and meditation, please pat yourself. If not, please make sure you take a decision today that you are working out starting tomorrow. And if you want to make meditation a habit, my friends, I have designed a simple process of making meditation a habit, and I call it visual meditation. I'm sure some of you have seen that video already and following it. If you haven't seen it, my friends, you can click on the link above and you can experience visual meditation, the simple and fast way of making meditation a habit. Right? So friends, 1, please make sure you make a hit list of your goals, because that will put you back on track and makes you more focused. And once you make the goals list, to do those goals you need physical stamina and mental fitness. Workout and meditation will help you exactly to make that happen. Remember one last thing, my friends. We cannot kill bad habits easily, but we can always replace them with good habits. So I strongly wish that you make these 3 habits starting today. The hit list of goals, write it every single night for the next day. Number 2, please make sure you work out and boost your physical stamina. And number 3, please meditate and improve your mental fitness. And believe me, friends, your life will never be the same again. So please make sure, my friends, that you build these habits and take your life to the next level. See you again very soon, my friends, in my next video. Till then, have a great year ahead. Thank you.